Hey, good morning, team, and welcome to OS 320, Cultural Intelligence. I am Mr. Dave Fulop, and anyways, I was looking at the student roster, and it's nice to see so many familiar names and familiar faces. Welcome again to one of my classes, and for your second round of punishment. Yeah. So, anyways, let me tell you a little bit about myself. I have been teaching for Goodwin for about 4 years now as an adjunct. And I also teach now and then for Southern Illinois University as an adjunct, and there I teach education. My full-time gig is I am the curriculum director for the Navy Leadership and Ethics Center, which is at the Naval War College in Newport, Rhode Island. That's right, I live in Rhode Island. Before that, I used to teach at the Coast Guard Leadership Development Center, but I accepted a position at the Naval War College. Been there, it'll be about a year in January. So, let's see. What are we going to talk about? About this course. Okay, so we're going to be exploring cultures. And every week, I put up a YouTube video discussing things for the week, right? And this is just my introduction video, right? So anyways, make sure you have this book. Get it now. Get it now. Don't wait till later. Okay, we're going to jump right into it. It's a really good book, actually. And there's good activities in there and all of that. So, 7-week compressed course online. That means discussion boards, right? Everybody that's ever taken a class with me knows that discussion boards close on Sunday night at midnight. Meaning, if we are in week 3, I will not accept discussion boards from week 1. Unless you contacted me earlier, right? And you said, Dave, horrible car accident. I saved a busload of nuns, and during that accident, I burned my hands. Okay. There's always exceptions. However, if you just happen to start posting because you missed a week, sorry. A discussion board is just that. We all have to be in it during the same time period for it to be a discussion. If not, all you're doing is posting. So, once again, all discussion board to be done by Sunday at midnight on that week. A good habit to do is to have your initial post by Friday at midnight. Then you get to respond to 2 of your classmates during the weekend. And that gives everybody some time to post and to think about what you wrote. Now, some discussion board guidelines, right? Your initial post should be around 250 words, or something of that nature. I'm not going to count every word. I don't want references in your discussion board post. You don't have to do that. To me, a discussion board is like the discussion that we would have in class. Okay? So, that being said, don't just write something without any thought, Usually what I see is I see good discussions. Now, also on that being said, since we are talking about culture, people can get pretty emotional when we talk about culture. I can. The goal of this course is to open our eyes and to awaken us to the wonders of other cultures. Not to degrade anybody's culture, not to belittle any cultural activities that we do. If you do, right, and you will get a warning. The second one, I'm going to have to take action. I can't tolerate it. It's not fair, right? So, anyways, I don't think we're going to have that problem because in our, like I said, I recognize most of the names in this class, and we're mature adults, and I think you're going to see that our diversity of culture truly is our strength. It really is. So let's see, what else am I going to talk about in this brief introduction? You learned a little bit about me. Yep, I live in Hope Valley, Rhode Island. I'm married. My wife Lynn, who just left for dinner. I have 3 daughters, one at URI, one at Rick, and one entering 8th grade. Let's see, there's some personal stuff. The syllabus, make sure you read the syllabus. It's posted. My personal cell phone number is on there. That's how much I trust you guys, right? So with my cell phone number, I work really good with text messages. So meaning that during a work day, I might be in the back of a classroom or something like that. And if you call, I won't be able to answer. However, if you text me, I might be able to give you a quick reply right off the bat. If not, I have an hour drive home from work. Yeah, I'll get back to you usually during that reflection time of my drive, right? So let's see, there's that. What else do we want to talk about? Use my Goodwin my Goodwin email account. I checked that, and I also linked it so I get a small text message. So when I get an email, so yeah, I'll see you. So let's see, what else is there? Like I said, every week I post a little video discussing it. Make sure you watch it. Make sure you do your readings. And in the discussion boards, I read every discussion post without a doubt, right? But I do not reply to every post. I might put something in every thread, but if you post something, don't expect me to say, oh, that's a good point, right? And there's a reason for that. I just heard a noise. I think one of my cats is raising havoc. Okay. Well, anyways, I think I got a cat fight going on. So I will get back to you. But I post to everything. Okay, guys? So this is Dave out, and I'll talk to you later.